Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually go over like what we did the last week. I'll also tell you that what is our plan moving ahead for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex and Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin actually, I'll tell you 2-3 logics which I had given earlier. I think they worked great, and let's go over Nifty because the price action doesn't seem great to me at least. Okay, on the long side. Cool. So first let's analyze the weekly candle which we love doing. सबसे पहले तो लेट्स चेक कि ये कैंडल्स में ऊपर से वीक आ रही है हमेशा, बराबर, विच मीन्स देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सेलिंग फ्रॉम द अपसाइड, तो विच ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं कि दिस कैन बी अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस जोन फॉर द मार्केट. ओके, सो दिस व्हेन आई से आई मीन 24,700. ठीक है, सो 24,700 कैन बी अ ग्रेट रेजिस्टेंस जोन फॉर निफ्टी. अभी लेट्स ट्राई टू अप्लाई सम कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि चल क्या रहा है. तो मेरे को क्या लगता है कि लास्ट स्विंग हाई के ऊपर वी गॉट अ कैंडल, बट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज उसके ऊपर और सस्टेन नहीं कर पा रहा है. यूजुअली सी इफ द buyers are very strong, what they should do, they should give a candle like this, they should knock the bears out again like this, something like this they should do. ठीक है, बट वहां पे सेलिंग आ रही है कॉन्स्टेंटली, which I am not liking personally. So I would urge all of you to be very, very, very cautious, okay, in this. Now, what I think can be a good trade, you can mark the last 2 weeks lows. Okay, I've marked the last 2 week lows. They are coming at 23,850, and most likely this is the same level जहां पे वो previous swing high भी था. Now you should become very alert the moment price starts trading below 23,850. Now why is this crucial? First thing, it is the last 2 weeks low, so by default उसका value बहुत ज्यादा है. ठीक है. सेकेंडली, इट इज द लास्ट स्विंग हाई का नीचे वापस आ जाएगा मार्केट, विच मीन्स ये अप मूव सस्टेन होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकम्स लोअर देन वहां पे. लास्टली व्हाट कैन आल्सो हैपन, नीचे से सी वीव गॉन अप 13%. ओके, तो इवन इफ वी फॉल थोड़ा बहुत ना 3-4%, तो डेफिनेटली इजीली गिर सकते हैं हम उतना, तो मतलब इजीली. Okay, so these are some logics which are scaring me. Additionally, I think SBI and Kotak के results थे. Okay, SBI and Kotak. So both मेरे हिसाब से they weren't great. So let's see how Bank Nifty and Nifty open. SGX personally is showing बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर, 100 points के ऊपर, and US markets have closed 600 points up. I still I would be interested in a bearish trade here more than bullish, I would say. ठीक है, so even if I take a bullish trade, what I'll do, I'll take it with 50% quantity. तो अगर मेरा लॉस भी होता है ना तो आधे कैपिटल पे ही होगा फिर, देन आई वोंट नीड माय एंटायर कैपिटल टू रिकूप. ठीक है, so that was the weekly analysis for Nifty. So nothing great on the candlestick side मेरे लिए तो at least. Now last 2 weeks they were brilliant for us. Why? Because we've got this swing high के ऊपर market है ये. So literally just sell puts and earn money. It has been, I would say April month itself was great for us. We had long positions also, and उसमें the option trades also worked pretty well. But now let's hope that every month becomes like April month now for us. Now let's come on the daily chart. Okay, it's more or less the same thing what we discussed on the weekly time frame. यहाँ पे अपने को लास्ट स्विंग हाई के ऊपर गए तो है हम, बट ये प्राइस एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. तो यहाँ पे विक्स आ रही है, बहुत सेलिंग आ रही है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, सो आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड इफ इट कम्स डाउन टू टेक अ रीटेस्ट इन दिस जोन. आई वोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड एट ऑल अगर वो आया तो भी. तो अगर ये मेरा थ्योरी ट्रू होना है तो व्हाट वी कैन डू वेरी इजीली, वी कैन कीप लास्ट 2 डेज का जो स्विंग लो है ना, मतलब ये जो है ना अपना डेली चार्ट पे 24,200. सो 24,200 के नीचे पक्का वी कैन बी इंटरेस्टेड इन सेलिंग. एटलीस्ट आई वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन सेलिंग ओनली कॉल्स 24,200 के नीचे. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ह्यूज विक्स ऑन द अपसाइड एंड दिस छोटे 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 कैंडल्स. Now we need the presence of the green candles to be very very strong. अभी जो ऐसा कैंडल है हमको वैसा ही चाहिए अपसाइड में. ओके, so that's what we are looking for. If that happens, I am ready to change my view also to bullish then. But वैसा मिल नहीं रहा है मुझे. I'll also tell you 1-2 logic. See, first thing I'll tell you that Friday, okay, consolidation हो रहा है ना ये, तो most people are going to trade the breakout breakdown from here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे on Friday अपने को breakout मिला. Now what is the problem here? Problem है Friday को पैसा बनाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So these moves tend to fail. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे fail होते हैं. Now check this. ये Friday भी था, so lot of people would have initiated call selling positions here. तो ये ऊपर के तरफ आता है तभी the call premium spike a lot. Same thing here, puts will spike a lot and then calls will spike a lot यहाँ पे. So Fridays are very dangerous. Okay, starting से ही मेरा belief है Fridays को, मतलब they are very dangerous. Now what has happened? Now the bulls have been trapped. Why? Because the bulls have traded this breakout their stop has been hit, and जो bears रह गए, the bears would have entered here, and bears are probably holding their positions, okay, currently. So now if the market में bearish लोग ज्यादा है, so they would, when would they get scared? They would get scared above the current day high is taken out. Current day high is 24,600. इसके ऊपर I think it would be very dangerous to hold any call selling position मेरे हिसाब से तो, and I want the market to go below this swing low 24,200 के नीचे, 240 to be precise, 240 के नीचे if the market goes, then I would love to trade a bearish trade. मतलब यहाँ पे बहुत मस्त मेरे को, I would like be eager to take it, ठीक है, because ये bulls यहाँ पे ट्रैप हो गए ना especially, और इसलिए भी so I'm personally looking for a bearish kind of a move if this swing breaks, ठीक है, मुझे ये खेलना है. But what I'm going to do, if the high is taken out 50% quantity, I'll enter into put sells also, ठीक है, that's simple. Also see last ये resistance zone है, resistance के ऊपर टिक नहीं पा रहा है easily market, that's another clue for you. Okay, so then like the down move, ये fake up move भी रह सकता है, मतलब मेरा वो point है. So if it comes down, it can come down quickly also. See Sensex is pretty similar to Nifty. I'm just going to give you the levels, okay, यहाँ पे. So below 78,700, like what I will do, I will try to target these OTM call sell position, ठीक है, Sensex पे. Even if you remember only 78,700, जब तक उसके ऊपर है, ठीक है, उसके नीचे थोड़ा डेंजर आ जाता है, मतलब पुट सेलर्स के लिए बहुत ज्यादा. एंड द डेली चार्ट हियर आल्सो टू मी इट डजंट लुक गुड. सो लास्ट 2 डेज के लो के नीचे इफ इट कम्स, इट कैन क्विकली कम टुवर्ड्स द लास्ट जो सपोर्ट जोन है ना, यहाँ पे क्विकली इट कैन कम देयर. सेंसेक्स. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट बैंक निफ्टी. सो बैंक निफ्टी, इफ आई ड्रॉ अ लाइन एट द ऑल टाइम हाई, प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई पे, ठीक है, so this what kind of a candlestick are we getting? This is nonsense. The candle we are getting is itself nonsense for the bulls, okay, not for the bears. So like ideally what should happen, ये resistance के ऊपर something like this kind of a candle we should get. जब ऐसा candle मिलेगा, then we can say okay, the bulls are in control, they probably want to defend their positions. यहाँ पे मुझे क्या लग रहा है, I feel like the bulls are not interested up move में, that's why ये time pass कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So either let it do time pass more and then break out, this can be a good trade, or let it come down and then go up. That higher high can be a good trade then, as per me. Cool. So this is an inside candle on the weekly chart. It is happening at the location of an all-time high. So if it fails, okay, it can be a very good trade as well on the downside. ठीक है, तो मैं bias करना नहीं चाहता आपको, क्योंकि मेरा थोड़ा I would like to play bearish. So bullish भी side पे अगर गया है, because results है तो anything can happen. So I would take a bullish trade here also at the high break of the inside candle. ठीक है, but the quantity I'll keep it lower. Now on the daily chart in Bank Nifty, below 54,100, okay, you should be very scared, because then it will be an M pattern here. An M pattern means a lower low. Lower low means sellers are interested here. You should not be buying Bank Nifty when sellers are interested. You should be buying it when buyers are interested. तब क्या easy trades आते हैं थोड़े. Why would you want to like tackle all this pressure from the sellers? Okay, so Bank Nifty में all I have to do is remember 54,100, and the moment I see Bank Nifty trading below this, I automatically know that the market, the probability of it becoming bearish will be higher now. Okay, यहाँ पे. But what a fantastic move, देखो ना यहाँ पे, मतलब clean ऊपर गया है. So the bulls have made huge profits here, and now it's taking a pause. ठीक है, so Bank Nifty में बहुत अच्छा रिवॉर्ड किया है, जो भी लॉन्ग होल्ड किया है Bank Nifty में, it has rewarded brilliantly. I also would urge, if किसी के पास long positions है यहाँ पे with this kind of price action, if you can buy some protection and get protected नीचे की तरफ ये zones में, then I think that would also be a smart thing to do. I'm talking something sort of a put debit ratios or put ratio in general, okay? तुम longer term कर सकते हो, 1-2 months down the line वगैरह you can do. Now, okay, let's observe Bitcoin अभी. Lot of people are trading Bitcoin, so थोड़ा let's analyze that in depth, okay? So first thing, Bitcoin में 88,800 के अब तक ऊपर है. So then the bullish traders will be very in control जब तक यहाँ पे है. Now why I'm telling you this? Because the last swing high was that. Swing high के ऊपर है ना ये, so even if it comes here, it can come down to retest and then make another high. ठीक है, so that very easily can happen. Now what is easy? I'll show you the daily chart. I'll tell you one trick, okay? If the Bitcoin, okay, is consolidating in a very tight range. Now this, you know, like Bank Nifty से बदतर है ये, इतना violent है ना Bitcoin. So इसमें if you're getting a breakout candle यहाँ पे, can you or can you not go long here? Just tell me that. मेरे हिसाब से it was a very easy trade, and also intraday में when the last swing high was broken, here also you would have gotten a very easy trade in Bitcoin. So if you're trading Bitcoin and if you have not captured this by selling puts or in general whatever going long bias से अगर capture नहीं किया है, then थोड़ा I think थोड़ा सा rethink करना चाहिए what you're doing. या तो जर्नल में मैं तो पक्का लिखता था, अगर मैंने इसमें कॉल सेल में ट्रैप हो गया होता मैं अगर, आई वुड डेफिनेटली राइट इन माय जर्नल दैट इट वाज वेरी इजी आई थिंक ऑन द अपसाइड ये मूव लेना. ठीक है, सो दिस मूव इट शुड हैव बीन इजी. Now let's try to talk that when will things get bad in Bitcoin. Okay, so now again it's doing some consolidation and then it's navigating on the upside. Now check the last 2-day high. उसके ऊपर if it goes, then what you can do, ये red candle low के stop loss के साथ you can try to take a bullish trade again, छोटे stop loss के साथ. Okay, but now what are we expecting? We got a breakout. Even if the market comes down here, we'll expect कि retest करने आया है ये यहाँ पे बराबर. You won't think कि immediately अभी ये तो अभी पूरा नया low ही मारने जा रहा है. I won't think like that. Additionally, I also remember that whenever the market was up here, I remembered the just now. ठीक है? So I told you don't get ऐसा यहाँ पे ऊपर में buy मत करना 1 लाख वगैरह पे. मार्केट रीटेस्ट को आता है यूजुअली बहुत बार 80H के रीटेस्ट को आता है. So this zone would be a very good zone to add. Okay, so this is another logic I had discussed. I remember this very well. So yes, if I was trading Bitcoin, I don't trade Bitcoin. Okay, मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा because I'm seeing these other traders make a lot of money there. Probably I'll have to put some very low amount because I don't trust on any कोई प्लेटफॉर्म को. मेरे को तो ट्रस्ट है ही नहीं किसी पे. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा पैसा लेके they are going to run away. If I was trading Bitcoin, I would probably have a bullish bias here. थोड़ा भी down move अगर आता है ना ये, and then on this reversal sort of thing, I would be interested in going long in Bitcoin. Okay, so that's what my price logics are for this week. And I'll actually take 2-3 questions. Okay, so first question I'll take, in case of the given market situation, when we play straddles and strangles, what should be our approach? Only intraday. I do not play straddles and strangles. I do that very rarely. You know, when you should play straddle strangle, let's say down move is done, then up move is done. So what happens? Market move बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है, तो then it needs a pause. So then these days would be perfect to sell straddle strangles. Okay, मेरे हिसाब से. लोग क्या करते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा रिवॉर्ड होता है ना, जब सब रिवॉर्ड मिल चुका है पूरे straddle stranglers को, मतलब आपने नहीं लिया है जब रिवॉर्ड, तब जाके एंटर करेंगे फ्राइडे जैसे दिन में. So then what will happen? Upside SL hit, downside SL hit, and then they won't make money. So then they get very scared doing that. To answer your question, I think I'm reading some tweets of some intraday straddlers. So I'll give you one example. Golden Dustbin account. Check that account on Twitter. He's a very good example. I actually like this guy's tweets a lot. Okay. So I think वो intraday खेलता है. Then Praful Kulkarni is another trader I like. He also does straddle strangles intraday. I have not seen a positional trader straddle strangles के साथ like make very good money. Stranglers का फिर भी I've seen because I myself trade a lot of strangles. पर उसमें I generate lot of directional bias also. So for example, अगर ये down move आ रहा है ना, तो then इसमें I won't be trapped in a strangle. Okay, इसमें directional के through alone इसमें. So my actually price action logics help me escape the losses from strangles. But otherwise I am very pro strangles and I'm very anti straddles. I actually don't see the point of straddles. But करते बहुत लोग अच्छा कमाते हैं उसमें. Probably मेरा ही knowledge कम रहेगा उसमें फिर. See, there's one comment. The Bitcoin analysis by Aditya last week really helped me. Yeah, because that was very tight range में था ना वो, तो definitely help करना ही था आपको वो थोड़े easy trades रहते हैं बहुत ऐसे. Do we do naked option selling or use hedging? We never hedge because if you hedge, you won't earn money. I mean, you'll get protected from every situation, but then to generate ROI is very difficult then. Also, finally, lastly, I just want to tell you that the price action is horrible. Also, that India can attack Pakistan anytime as well. Okay. So I don't want to create any panic. I'm not saying कि ये पूरा नीचे जाएगा, पर मुझे क्या डर लग रहा है, मुझे डर लग रहा है कि वो एक दिन जब गैप डाउन होगा ना, वो उसमें ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए योर 10-20 रुपी पुट्स दे शुड गो लेट्स से 300. फिर पॉइंट ही नहीं है वो, मतलब वो रिस्क लेने का पॉइंट नहीं होगा फिर कुछ. सो लाइक आई एम पर्सनली अवॉइडिंग पुट सेल पोजीशंस ओवरनाइट अनलेस आई गेट अ सेटअप. ओके, सेटअप मिला तो ही आई वांट टू टेक इट, अदरवाइज आई वोंट बी टेकिंग एनी पुट सेलिंग पोजीशंस. इस प्राइस एक्शन में मुझे कोई सेटअप मिला नहीं है पुट सेल करने के लिए. ओके, सो जस्ट टू बी क्लियर. So that's it from my side, at least for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll cover them in the next week's video. For now, that's it for now. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.